Philippines.
11 concept papers, each touching upon issues
I,
such as Scarborough Shoal, Second
I
Thomas Shoal,
want
ecological
to share
protection, so
my
forth. In that report, there was one specific plan that was named that
what is
saying
my
that
feeling
the
now,
Chinese agreed to
what is
rotate
analyze
mission
of
to
our
the
country.
BRP Sierra Madre in the Second Thomas
So
Shoal every month, and that the Philippine side would agree that they would not
na
have any
nag-alala ako.
materials
So I'm worried
transported
because
to
they
BRP Sierra Madre.
what
Of
is
course,
the
Marcos administration was
going on
furious. I
of
think
our
they
country.
clarified later that they had
You know,
studied
here in the
thoroughly
Philippines,
these proposals, and that
there's
their understanding
there's
that
a
because, for example, the Second
people
Thomas Shoal was within the exclusive economic
pro-China,
zones of the Philippines, that these proposals would go
but
against the Philippine Constitution.
majority here in the Philippines
thinking
is
about the rationale behind these leaks, I don't think we can know for certain, but I think one possible explanation is that
for
they wanted to put
USA or Europe
put pressure
because
on the,
their
domestic
attitude is
in the Philippines that it is
compatible
Beijing, but
for
it's not
Filipino.
negotiating. They wanted to
So
say,
China
they wanted
is
to portray the Marcos administration
with
as the one that's not
out
willing to
of
negotiate.
good
So
benefits
to
for
exert
Filipino
pressure on the Philippine government to further
compared to
negotiate
the
on
US
these
and
terms.
the Europe
And I think
is
another
their
explanation will possibly be that they want
their
to
attitude
fracture
is
the
very
image of
professional
the Marcos administration
compared to
as,
the China.
that the only good
China
attitude
is
towards
I
Beijing
have
is the
experience
uncompromising attitude. So
the
with these leaks,
China
I think
attitude
it would
is
definitely galvanize pro-Beijing
more
forces
than a
within the
Filipino
Philippines. That could
attitude.
also exert pressure,
Their
as the former explanation, to exert pressure on the Marcos administration
Suppleter
in further negotiations with China.
when I was
Speaking
a
about Beijing,
guard
the
in Taiwan
proposals were rejected by the Philippines.
uh,
So what exactly are these proposals?
in
And do you feel
construction
that they don't make any sense?
site. I'm
This
the
is, very
watchman.
complicated.
That's why
I think,
all the things
basically,
in the
looking back in
site
the last,
of,
few
under
months,
my
President Marcos
monitoring.
when he presented
But the
his
China is
vis-a-vis China,
take
gradually we can sense the kind of attitude is softening.
Get it
comparing with
my
months before.
the radio
Christmas.
so that
And
the
we
China
believe
is
the reason why
not good
domestically,
attitude.
not just a connection
There's
with those
one to
proposals
advantage
presented by
to
China.
other
I do think there would be
people.
some political
They want to
push
advantage
from
to
Beijing
anything.
in this
So
particular,
that's why
issue, South China Sea.
now like
Those,
now
reefs
the
and
pro-China
itself, as well as
like
those,
the
natural resources under the
our
sea. So these are all together. But I do think this incident,
ex-president Rodrigo Roa Duterte and his daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte
because the former president
is
Duterte and his family
now
strongly protest to
under
the
influence
government,
of
saying
China.
that, the Philippines
So
should not
our
have
worried
done so
is to
vis-a-vis China. And they
what will
honestly,
happen in the
has
Philippines.
taken very
The
different
China,
perspective to
of
China
course,
as
there's
well as
mob.
the US. So
Their
currently,
strategies
President Marcos Jr.
is
under
only
tremendous,
Saywar.
domestic pressures because
Only
another
is
part of the
Saywar,
political forces
but they
are not
don't
happy with his policy
want
vis-a-vis
to
China, and also connecting with the United States. So with
through
this incident coming up,
actual
I think that there is a political conspiracy
attack.
in Manila. But basically, they
So,
want to
but this the
sabotage
plan
such
of
a possibility
ex-president
from
and
China
vice
for
president.
them to push forward.
That's the
But of
dangerous
course,
now here in the
looking into
Philippines
such an
because
incident
the
happening,
influence of China is
around the second
their
stop,
dignity or their
Chinese position is the Philippines
they are under
has
influence.
violated
So
such
they
a
they want to do
decades ago.
anything
They,
to
started discuss whether they should tow this Sierra
to
Madre
overcome the Philippine government.
for decades.
So that's why
The Philippines will implement such an understanding. Everything when they ship
we are worried
logistics stuff
here in the
to
Philippines.
ship,
What will happen?
send up
The
a note to Chinese Coast Guard. There is a certain understanding.
what is going
Because,
on
The Philippines started
here in the
changing
Philippines now?
such
There
a
are so
practice.
many countries,
Is
European
completely violated.
good
So
management
there are
company
lots of,
from Europe
Relation,
invest here in the
they are
Philippines.
manipulating,
But that's
for
the
benefit. But I think
the situation now
very
is
critical and
that
important
is
for us
big.
to watch, because as a result, it will be affecting bilateral relations
Epic
between Beijing
of
and also Manila.
our
See how they escalate. Yeah.
economy
Beyond
life.
security concerns, U.S. Secretary of Commerce
Because
Wilbur Ross has returned
the
from
president
two-day
and
visit to
ex-president and vice president, of course, there's a lot of people voting of them,
manufacturing and
support of them.
more than $1 billion
And I'm to also
Philippine
my
dependence on China.
solid to
We have an
support
opportunity
them,
before us to strengthen
both of
this partnership,
to
to take it to
father
higher
and
levels,
daughter,
to deepen it to unprecedented
and
depths.
always
So
to
together, let's
uh,
seize this opportunity. Let's commit ourselves to our joint
campaign,
economic and national
make
security.
campaign here
and
of our
to
place.
what lies ahead,
But now
which is
I
the best to come.
withdraw my support from them because they are of pro-China, loyal of China. What will happen next in the Philippines? What is going on in the Philippines if the China's influencer in the Philippines or under
As we learned,
under
the US specific
manage
study
of the
called de-risking
uh,
that was advocated
China.
by the European Union last
So
year.
that's the true
Since then on, the US
story,
have
or
really
that's the
implemented
true
such a strategy
happen
to
here in the
counter
Philippines.
idea,
The
so-called,
the
priority
ex-president
is
and
the
vice
so-called
president is
onshoring.
very
If there's
landslide
something, semiconductor
their
to be built, it
winning
has to be built
race
on the
of
homeland of the
their
United States. This is a priority.
position on
It is a
president
mature
and
for the US
vice.
to consider.
But now the people is
But
observing
then becomes,
their
shoring, which is, I think,
their
connecting with Japan,
personal of
Germany,
what is
and also
true,
potentially,
their personal.
or other India.
But now is they're so
I
very
think basically what we're seeing,
pro-China,
the United States,
and
government
China is
encouraging
the
companies,
two leader
especially
and vice
Taiwan.
Do you feel
is under influence of China.
and for the Philippines?
So if have a trouble here in the Philippines, started here, the civil war, I think is starting here, the civil war here, but
Because, for now,
support
all
by
industrial,
China. The
classes
China
have
is
been
very
set
happy
up.
now if the
It's a
our
well-developed
our
organization in Taiwan,
our country is
but currently the idea is gradually encouraging or probably push a little bit
More
TSMC
trouble
to
here in the
invest
Philippines
outside of Taiwan
because
to
of
secure
the
such a production
the clan of
away
the
from
Duterte clan
geopolitical
is
change.
under influence
And
of
course, for the Philippines, in the longer
China.
term, this may be a good idea, win-win situation for the Philippines and Taiwan.
So,
But to
China,
say it more specifically,
what
it
the
will take
God,
longer time
what
because,
is better
it is not
than
so
other
simply
country
TSMC
to
manufacturers
change
or
to
invest in certain country. There
change
should be,
change to
mature infrastructure
from
and
change
also,
to
comprehensive
ally.
in the industrial cluster combining with that, then
China
that
is
would be reliable,
almost
effective.
their
So for
attitude
now,
is
this not the
advantage,
case
take
for the
advantage
Philippines and
from
Taiwan. And I think
another.
more so about
They
Japan.
focus
But
to
I think basically
their
this is a good idea in the long
100 benefits of their own ambition.
Also, the U.S. is a heated debate
So,
regarding TikTok,
That's why
growing social media app owned
the
by Chinese-based
president,
company ByteDance.
ex-president
National security
and
concerns are growing over how the Chinese
Vice
Communist
President
Party
Sara
could use the
Duterte,
data of over 170
there's a lot
million
of
American TikTok
supporter
users
before, but
to
now
influence US politics
I
and
think
public
1/4
systems.
of Filipino
The US House of
population,
Representatives passed a
Philippine
bill that could
population
force TikTok's
is
Chinese owner to divest the
only
platform or face an
support
outright ban. The
of
bill will now go to
them,
the Senate for
but
approval before
majority,
being signed into
of
law
course,
by President
support
Biden.
by
Also,
support
in the
to
context of
the
Philippines, the military has been
excellent
following debates last year on a nationwide
President Bongbong Marcos
Why is
because
TikTok
of
so popular?
he is
Across the world, basically concerns
He
around
is a
TikTok revolve
solid
around two issues. One is it being a
To
possible tool of data collection,
US
cyber espionage on
and
Chinese
the
Communist
ally.
Party. Another it is
You know, if we by one by one we are look their background of how to communicate or how to close the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, they use for our women to married first, then to stay in the Philippines. After that many years, they divorce or separate their wife, Filipina wife, to they bring also their countrymen, female, to stay here in the Philippines because they are of power, because they are residents here in the Philippines. But US is not like that attitude. The US is very professional thinking. They don't want to advantage
An outright
of
ban
Filipina
is- India has
for
done what
Filipina.
we've done in Taiwan.
Tourist
Eventually.
Filipina. So that's the attitude is nice. And I think that's only how many percent is American or Europe is not the good attitude. But of all of the almost of them
Consider more allies
is
and partners.
nice and good. Good beneficiaries if you are working out there. Beneficiaries good, anything is even our lady here in the Philippines can marry to the Europe have obligation to give good benefits of their daughter even though they are separate, but they are responsibility to their son or daughter. So how to compare
YouTube. Give
the
us a
China?
thumbs up and hit subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our show today.
Okay, thank you
Stay
for
safe and
watching.
see you next time.